Discussion with guest.
You want to meet, sir?
I want to meet Mr. Patil. I have come from Jalgaon.
Your good name, sir?
My name is Mohan Deshmukh.
Please come and sit here.
Please call your father.
Hello Mr. Deshmukh, how are you?
I am fine.
How was the journey?
Yes, comfortable.
Has journey been done by train or bus?
Yes, I have journeyed by train.
Then it's alright. Now just wash your hands and face.
Thanks.
In the meantime I bring tea for you.
Will you give me a detailed biodata of your son?
Yes, take this printed biodata.
What is your expectation for the marriage of your son?
She should be beautiful and well educated.
Yes, I agree with your opinion.
My son is computer engineer, so she should be in the job.
Yes, I search for a bridegroom and suggest it to you.
Thank you. See you again.
No mention.